Forget special effects. This is real destruction. Watch colossal machines crush cars, shred steel, and grind concrete in scenes more thrilling than any blockbuster. When power meets chaos, you don't watch, you feel it. The RR5's hydraulic frame carries 200-ton pre-compression and a 155-ton final stroke. With its Perkins diesel 145 HP engine and Hardoc's 450 wear plates, efficiency meets durability. The oversized loading box ensures fast cycle times, allowing high-volume yards to streamline ELV processing without risking system fatigue. The slow-turning steel jaws build tension with every rotation. Plastic bottles shatter, gas canisters bend, sparks flash. This is scripted power, momentum channeled into recycling. The sound is metal, the stage is the factory, and the result is a clean resource for tomorrow. The CI 13000 applies over 1,200 tons of cutting force, slicing through the Fiat 190 chassis like engineered surgery. Hydraulic jaws channel controlled torque, making sure every connection point collapses under calculated pressure. Engineering in its purest form. The CM Hybrid dual shaft shredder pushes extreme torque to process OTR down to passenger tires. Patented replaceable knives sharpen 6 times, cutting costs dramatically, while tight tolerances deliver the cleanest tire chips with minimal steel exposure. The power impresses more than the noise. 60,000 Newton meters twisting at steady RPM transforms stubborn steel into fragments. It's not chaos, it's precise crushing. The sight of a UK ELV recycler tearing through engines with hydraulic claws is breathtaking. Pistons pump, hoses strain, and steel yields without resistance, leaving spectators amazed that industrial precision can transform chaos into order with relentless consistency. Whoa, HDPE pipes look tough until the DGM 1500 rotor hits them. A single shaft, 3845 RPM, and suddenly thick plastic collapses like cardboard. It's shocking how quickly industrial torque erases what once seemed nearly indestructible. Years of working with balers teach that a solid chamber like 4.6 meters matters. Machines like Hydramec Mobile reduce downtime, handle aluminum cans with cars, and keep yards cleaner with less manual intervention. The Hamel VB950DK runs with a 710 horsepower Cat diesel, twin shafts tearing steel beams like timber. Torque hitting 420,000 Newton. This engineering marvel balances hydraulic pressure and cooling systems for non-stop crushing performance. There's something oddly fun about seeing the dual shear M180 munch on those monster tires. It's like watching a giant metal alligator having lunch, except the leftovers end up powering the future as recyclable, eco-friendly material. An experienced worker said the sound of the Micromat 2000 chewing through cars still stands out. The balanced torque prevents jams, the controlled pressure avoids dangerous kickbacks, and operators trust it because its steady performance saves both time and safety. What happens when scaling this design beyond 10 tons per hour? If the U15 separates gypsum this cleanly, larger Ulster models might reshape construction recycling. Curious how far torque and blade design can stretch before meeting new material challenges.
I don't know. The machine itself.
Imagine trying to argue with a bulldozer. It doesn't debate, it just flattens. A mobile home once rolled on its wheels, but today it's only rolling into the past. Sometimes relentless strength is the only answer left standing. Balloons drift weightless, yet in the shredder, they're crushed instantly. It's a reminder, fragile things meet harsh systems. Life works the same. Resilience isn't about floating, but withstanding pressure when gears turn against us. Watching a pallet meet 60,000 Newton's torque is like seeing a potato chip try surviving a boot. Those plastic boards once carried tons, now squeal like squeaky toys. Industrial comedy, really. Machines laughing while recycling pays the bills. Impact, motion, steel, destiny. In the forest's silence, the predator awakens. Hydraulic arms descend, drum teeth spin like thunder, and within moments, a stump centuries old is reduced to splinters. Nature's resistance meets engineered inevitability. The soda cans that once rolled around at a summer barbecue are now packed into massive bundles. The PR4000 works with quiet strength, reshaping them for tomorrow. Yesterday's memories are transformed into new materials.
Shredded material.
The Evo Quip Harrier 2-on-220 is compact but tough. It screens soil, gravel, and rock with precision, turning piles of dirt into sorted material ready for use. It's a reminder that efficiency isn't about size, but smart design. Hard drives bragged about terabytes, but the RS-40 laughs last, chewing them like stale chips. All those password 23 secrets. Gone faster than popcorn at a ball game. Proof that sometimes the shredder knows your life story better than your diary. Watching a 10-liter steel bucket vanish under Schomburg's shredder feels oddly satisfying, like peeling plastic off a new phone. Raw force meets clean results, and suddenly scrap turns into neat chips ready for tomorrow's recycling plant. Any crewman knows nets like these twist up quick. A 100 HP shredder keeps constant torque, but operators stay ready with cutters nearby. Experience teaches. Never lean close and always respect spinning steel under load. The Komatsu BR200S operates at a low speed, but still generates 180 horsepower, with torque exceeding 5,000 Nm. Its hydraulic jaws crush wood efficiently while producing minimal dust. This Japanese engineering proves that stable force consistently outperforms reckless speed. If your ex's mixtape, grandma's old couch, and that embarrassing treadmill all met inside, this $200 kilovolt shredder wouldn't blink. It devours junk faster than excuses at a Monday meeting. Industrial comedy wrapped in horsepower and spinning steel jaws. SBR4's 25x25mm mesh with the CAT 966M loader delivers precise screening, removing fines effectively. This boosts recycled aggregate quality, making oversized material more marketable in construction recycling. Wow, watching Maxon India's shredder crush 1,000 kilars per hour is jaw-dropping. Motorcycle forks and aluminum casings vanish like brittle shells. No roaring, no shaking. Just pure, controlled power, turning stubborn scrap into manageable bits. Sleepers once carried locomotives, now enter the 1200L shredder's jaws. What once meant progress becomes fragments of renewal. It feels like turning a history page. Yesterday's foundation feeding tomorrow's construction. Strength meets memory, reborn through steel. Hydromech GS650 runs a Cummins T5 engine paired with Rexroth hydraulics, generating unmatched torque for cutting. With a 10% higher tilt than rivals, this Italian mobile shear proves road-ready while meeting Industry 4.0 standards. Remote support is a serious plus. Comtech's rotating shafts remind that life shreds obstacles into fragments. A 250 kilowatts motor doesn't destroy, it transforms. Just like waste becomes new resources, struggles become lessons. Machinery or mankind, both prove strength lies in turning chaos into purpose. There's something oddly satisfying about the TBG 630. A 661 HP Scania V8 spinning that hammer rotor, shredding 120 tons of branches an hour, turning messy piles into neat biomass. It feels like watching order rise from absolute chaos. Watching Maxim 620 STL shred timber is oddly satisfying. The steady rhythm, no clogging, dust control humming. It's like watching order beat chaos. Heavy logs vanish into chips, leaving behind neat piles ready for tomorrow's use. That poor plastic pipe walked in thinking it was tough. Schomburg's shredder laughed, spun 5,000 Null-Neighborter's torque, and said, "Buddy, this isn't plumbing class, it's industrial boot camp." Obliterate 530 delivers 110 kilodollars of hydraulic muscle, a full automatic cycle, and radio remote precision. With its standard crane and grapple, scrap turns compact fast. Canadian engineering proves efficiency isn't just theory, it's productivity measured in tons. Aluminum bars crumble in row 150, yet each fragment gains new purpose. Like life, strength ends, but meaning continues. Recycling isn't destruction, it's transformation, proof that endings are simply disguised beginnings. Once this stump anchored a yard for decades, now Dopstad's steel teeth gently return it to Earth. Yesterday's shade becomes tomorrow's soil, a quiet reminder of cycles never ending. The VR120 shredder delivers 110 kHz with over 100 nanometers torque. Its dual hydraulic rotors cut plastic sheets like butter while maintaining steady RPM. Precision gears ensure minimal vibration, boosting efficiency and prolonging cutter lifespan. The first hit sends shockwaves, splitting a concrete slab once thought immovable. It's jaw-dropping to witness 1,200 joules delivered with surgical accuracy, reminding how engineered steel can humble even nature's hardest stone. Giants of steel have spoken, and you've witnessed their fury. But this is only the beginning. Support the channel with a like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because the industrial powerhouses are just getting warmed up.